LED fog lights. It's like a sponsorship type thing, with as well as their highs and low beams that I did in previous videos, but I'm just kind of show y'all how to do them on this 2016 Honda Civic. As you can see, I got it jacked up so I can get ready to do the fog lights. But these are the B3F series, so they're B3 series, and then that's for the fogs. They're going to be a little smaller than the normal H11, so it'll be perfect. These are the 6500K white light compared to, you know, your regular yellow halogen bulb, but I'll show y'all what it comes with whenever you get them in. All their packaging is pretty neat. Nice and simple here. And the high beams and low beams comes with zip ties and whatnot. You also get zip tied a wire that has the resistor and whatnot hooked up to it. These, there's nothing like that, so you don't need the zip ties. But pretty simple. You got your positive, your negative on here, and pretty simple. You got a nice fan, a good size O-ring, so it makes a nice seal. So what I'm gonna do is, because this is plastic and it's got some play in it, I'm gonna just go ahead and pull this back, the bumper piece back, and I'm gonna pull this down after I move this clip here, and that'll give me access to inside the fog light. So as you can see, hold it down right quick, and your fog light is up there. So all you gotta do is just turn it, disconnect your wire, put the new one in. Drop the car back down after I changed it. As you can see, I've got the AUXITO low beams on it now, but fog light is way brighter and way wider than this one, which is just yellowed out. So it'll be a good little difference when it's foggy, and at night, if you're running them at night for whatever reason, definitely way brighter and better looking. So as you can see, got them both all nice and in. Just did the other side, and they're way brighter. So like I said, I'm gonna go do a little driving clip later whenever it gets darker, and do what it's like with the low beams, what it's like with the lows and the highs, and then just fog lights. We'll see how bright the fog lights are by themselves at night. But way better. Installation's pretty easy. So like I said, I'm gonna go do a little driving clip later whenever it gets darker, and do what it's like with the low beams, what it's like with the lows and the highs, and then just fog lights. We'll see how bright the fog lights are by themselves at night. So right now it's just the running lights, kind of a little dark area. Just the running lights on. So I'm gonna turn the low beams on. As you can see, low beams are pretty damn bright, way brighter than factory headlights. I mean, this is about eye level. That building is probably 20 yards away. All right, I'm gonna turn the high beams on. High beams are stupid bright. Definitely way better. And then turn the high beams off and turn the fogs on with them. So that's no fogs, that's with fogs. Do no fogs, with fogs. Fog lights are pretty bright. I mean, they kind of angle more outwards and just get a little more light output towards the very front of the vehicle. But AUXITO headlights, definitely well worth the money. Easy install, nothing too crazy. Definitely a good quality product. Can't expect nothing but quality from AUXITO for sure. I mean, AUXITO, I got them in my truck, got them in my mom's truck, got them in my dad's truck, swapped all them bulbs out and everything. All AUXITO, so y'all hit them up. Use the code GARDOCAS in checkout for 15% off, I think. Y'all go hit them up on auxito.com.